In 1956, a major cooking oil company published a series of magazine advertisements claiming that fried foods become light foods when vegetable oil is used in place of butter or lard. The clear message to health-savvy homemakers was that vegetable oil was a low-calorie solution to the more traditional fats they were cooking with. Millions of well-meaning cooks took the bait and made the switch, thinking their families would be better off as a result. Fast forward 60 years and this cooking oil marketing blitz was evidently an industry success. Vegetable oils continue to remain the go-to fat used in fried and processed foods. Marketers are still claiming that they're better for human health than animal fats because they contain no cholesterol and aren't saturated. But what does the latest science have to say about this vegetable oil madness? French fries in a deep fryer close-up in a nutshell. All that golden goodness being dumped into deep fryers, drizzled on salads, and poured into frying pans isn't exactly the health boon that industrial processors have long claimed it is. So-called heart-healthy cooking oils, that is soy, canola oil, rapeseed, cottonseed, sunflower, and corn, just so happen to be among the leading causes of heart disease and cancer in America today. Most consumers have no idea that they're being duped. The chemical industry and popular media have long hyped vegetable oil as the healthy choice for dietary fat. This is primarily because it's cheap to produce and generates sizable revenues for the corporations that make it. The alleged health benefits of vegetable oil as a cooking oil are minimal at best. And after more than 100 years of use in the food supply, we are now seeing the dire consequences of this deception minus rampant chronic disease. The origins of vegetable oil and how it came to be the standard fat used in American food preparation are disturbing, to say the least. According to the critically acclaimed book The Happiness Diet, it all began with global consumer product giant Procter & Gamble, P&G. P&G convinced the American public to abandon the use of animal fats in favor of its own industrially processed vegetable oil. When William Procter and James Gamble teamed up and began manufacturing soap from cotton seeds during their company's infancy, they realized that this process generated a lot of waste in the form of cottonseed oil. This oil would eventually be peddled off as a nutritious food, though it has virtually no nutritional value at all. In its raw form, it's actually a toxin that some countries use as a form of male birth control. Crafty array of marketing tactics combined with aggressive sample distribution eventually landed this cooking oil into millions of homes and restaurants throughout America. Though this feat took considerable time and effort, the transformation of this industrial waste from filth to food was a success, and the rest is history. A piece published in Science Monthly succinctly sums up how cottonseed oil, and vegetable oils at large, went from noxious waste to common cooking oil. What was garbage in 1860 was fertilizer in 1870, cattle feed in 1880, and table food and many things else in 1890. Vegetable oil is extremely unhealthy, and here's why. So what's the big deal? If vegetable oil supposedly helps lower cholesterol and prevent artery hardening, does it really matter where it comes from or how it came to be standard fare in the American palate? Not so fast. Here are a few dirty facts about vegetable oil that you may not know. 1. Vegetable oils are often rancid due to heavy processing and oxidation. A combination of high heat, pressure, and chemical solvents is used to extract vegetable oils from plants, exposing them to an incredible amount of air and light. When this occurs, these oils oxidize and become rancid, as well as lose many or all of their healing antioxidants. This renders them toxic and inflammatory.